Another group of locality members from Mawpen village, who's under Hima Bhowal East Khasi Hills district, came forward to give support to Bikendro Kharbani, who is elected as the acting headman by the SAM of the Hima Bhowal Paim Kensai NCM in Mawpen for 5-year term to take the place of Angelos Deokhai, that for his term has expired on the 21st March 2020. Speaking to the media, the old executive member of the Mawpen village, Tam Dorlang Risau, along with all members of the village and some of the locality members on the 6th November 2020, revealed that the appointment of Bikendro by the SAM of the Hima Bhowal is done as per the Act of the Hima. The SAM did not misuse his power as per allegations of other groups who rushed to Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. But Tam Dorlang also said the people condoned and respected the decision made, for it was as per rules and regulations and not an act of selfish deed.
Makiri kita lah kata kali putrik bani consultation bani kran bani perkat hakabidi ban jid wakting rang basnong makiru kila kubur lang bakalong badai bangin jid wakting rang basnong ban hadin bangin layo ban jid wakting rang basnong ye ba Bikendro Kharbani bonlong acting rang basnong Mawpen kamdon kano huriura kala ya be yer ti mo kata kalong ka besai hadu kata ti hadin ba kami ke order na kaliang usim ban ula forward hakaliang jong hau liang jong urang basnong barim ba dakumno pidei ban IT no ekikot kisla how acting rabashno kata ka julong hi kanorim ka julong hi korkom mo posno Mawpen jungi ka julong hi korkom mo ka Hima Bhowal jungi kala don di aks rules ki babyang ban hadin bangila pule bahai ki rules yak jung Mawpen ni wan hang ne ban persai ka man jong pim taksi kata ka di jing sisa ti hadin ba kami ko order na kaliang usim berlapa acting how rang basno barim jong Mawpen ba usubha ba pin IT no ekikot kisla hadin ban kot katep nakaliang jong ni urang pa sinong ngewat perisai khmat jong pi nganglong dekat barim jong ka isi sinong Mawpen ngatip ha lo ha ka bede ka jipiat kam jong ni urang pa sinong barim jong ka sinong Mawpen uklam khot wadi ka dorbar sinong la saus nem mansua saus nem ukhot ta kasin ka banikong ha ka katem ka banikong usdang arjasan ha kerjaan riu ukhot ya ka dorbar pelun jong ka sinong Mawpen hadin nang tau uklam khot si dorbar pelun ula chuliat don bor tamu we wat ngi ki khot jong isi barim ngim don jitip ei har ka kompediat sinong priat kata ka di jing sisa but hadin ba kajing peta nak kalian ke district council yang orang ba sinong barim ba subha kini ki kot kislag la dong ni meskiwan persai khmat jupi utak sing kamdai mai kiran lamler ring kiran dikut kum kot kisla kadai kajing tok buat ke district council nak district council ko apa ha orang ba sinong barim jong ka sinong Mawpen pidei ban IT no e ki kot kisla bar ki jing don kam jong ka sinong bar khoi di hadin nang ta kasami kene huriura de na kadau ba bai dei bang kajing peta jong muslim rengkat ka district council bang IT no ikot kisla bat ki jing don jing em jong ka sinong Mawpen kasami ka tu khot bor hakalai tarik